so throw your love away. Hey, do me a favor and stop singing, please. Thank you. Yo, what's up? It's Mikey. I figured I'd start making my like activity and or my energy hype. This hype. I just want to start being hyper from now on, you know? All my other videos are basically like, hey guys, welcome to another video of Michael. We're gonna go into Walmart and do some videos. Get that out of here, dang it's Matt Smith. But we got something for y'all. We're gonna go to Walmart. Zach and Jaden, y'all already know who Jaden is. Zach, you've never met him before, but you're about to. Well, actually, I think he's been in one of my videos. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna do a little video for y'all. But I hope y'all liked my Uber prank. Or my Uber little skit. Y'all need to go watch that if you haven't. Go give it a like and a comment. Tell me what y'all think. And let's get to it. Actually, be sure to follow me on all my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Mikey_8336. Mikey, I might be Mikey, which I might change my name on YouTube to it. Most likely. Musically, so I can see some type of little skits and funny stuff. I might be Mikey. You already know what it is. But I need to start doing more YouTube videos because I've been slacking. So wait, I gotta remember to put sad music right there. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. I'm probably gonna shave because I feel like I need to shave, because if I don't shave, I'll get acne. So yeah, I will start the video when they get here.
Burgers. What's up? What's up? Yeah, we at Walmart. Woo, you almost crashed. They see me rolling. High school. What is this? What is this? Oh God, bro. What am I doing? What? Pushing cars for a living? Nah. All here looking like a freaking orange walking around out here. Dang, man. Gosh. Already getting kicked out. So here's Zach. Oh my gosh. They didn't have air horns at Walmart, so we're going to Academy. They what? They what? Walmart booty. Bro, she was smacking on that gum. Oh shoot! Ah! Scared, man. So these things are a piece of junk. His don't even work. Oh yeah, he's definitely scaring somebody. Alright, so I just got that one, dude. So we're just gonna go to Party City and see if they have better ones. What are y'all doing? Jaden just smashed his freaking horn. Oh God! So they didn't have it up there. Weekend! Boy, got you! Woo-hoo-hoo, front seat, boy. Look at all those birds. Look at all those. Okay, so you see, Party City didn't have them. Well, they had small ones, but we want a big one, you know? Fat daddy. Of course. Already trying to get kicked out. Oh, broken. Oh God. This old dude. He's so old, didn't even hear it. He's so old, didn't even hear it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Just the boy, Egyptian. What the hell? He's over there. He's over there. He's dropping. Yeah, get back to work. Go. The little baby looked up. I said, Daddy, man, freaking kill us. God.
Wait, I could have gone.
You coulda, woulda, boy. Okay. Okay.
Call where there's 3 meats.
That is a triple buster.
No, it's not that.
The 3 meats. It is a triple buster.
No, it's not that. You know what? Can I just get a water?
2.
2 waters?
3, yeah. 3, nigga, I'm thirsty.
Do you want a medium or large?
I want 3 medium drinks. Get us our water. Get us our water.
Stop.
Kaylee, who is that?
What?
Who is that?
Oh, really?
Really? You gonna unblock me off of Snapchat?
I already did.
She already unblocked
You didn't
me.
I did.
Why?
When I unblocked you, I lost my Wi-Fi. Because I unblocked you right after school.
Hey, Kaylee, guess what?
What? Hey.
We found a different Walmart in Midlothian. So we up here. He's in a bad mood. Yeah, he's taking Snapchat.
Watch your mouth.
He's in a bad mood. But yeah, we're going up here. Like you scared me, okay? Yeah. Okay, see, like, he's hyped. That's what you need to be like. Over here, act like you just got off Texas Chainsaw Massacre or something. Watch out! Boom! Hey, stop walk. Dude, my thing, it almost came out, bro. We got an air horn. He's blowing down its own.
Air horn, we kept hearing it. And,
no one else was hearing it. What'd that dude say to you?
he was like, is that really necessary that kid's revving his engine? I was like, I don't know.
Go over there, Zach, I dare you. Shoot. He was like, hey man, stop that.
What
Let's see what he says.
Nigga, that jacket is way too big for him.
Stop. Is he actually getting on him for doing that? He's getting on him for revving his engine. Small dude. What is this boy wearing?
About a car that's like twice as loud as this. He kind of got a sad look on his face. Our air horn was funnier though. Our air horn was funnier.
Okay, a little too much.
Oh my gosh, you scared the shit out of me. Why did I taste it? I tasted something. Alex not buying it.
What? It's in there.
Is it where?
Just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta take me your back.